In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check battery health in iPhone. So let's get started. First open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Battery option. On the next screen, you will find various information about battery. You can see which apps and activities are draining iPhone battery. You can check your iPhone's overall battery health, and you may also enable low power mode to reduce certain background activity. To check battery health, tap Battery Health and Charging option. On the next screen, the first section shows the maximum capacity of your battery relative to when it was brand new. So if your iPhone is brand new, the battery should be at full 100%. But as your iPhone gets older, the battery will lose some of its capacity, so the percentage will start to drop to numbers in 90s, 80s or lower. My iPhone is now almost 2 years old, so you can see the maximum capacity of the battery is showing as 83%. So if you feel your iPhone doesn't hold its battery charge for the longer period and the battery capacity is showing low, then you may consider replacing your iPhone's battery. So that is how you can check battery health in iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.